In this class, we are going to see three things: matrix inverse method, Cramer's rule, and Gauss-Jordan method. These three topics are important for 7 marks. Okay? So matrix inversion method. In this method, what we do is AX is equal to D. Okay? So we will make it X is equal to A inverse D. Next is Cramer's rule. Okay? In this, Ax is equal to D. Okay, it will be given to us in the question. Okay, solution will be x is equal to det 1 by det or okay, delta 1 by delta, that is equal to delta 2 by delta, that and that is equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 1 will be the det. Okay, you will understand this once we start solving the questions. Okay, just remember this is a concept. Okay, next is Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method is the most important method, and this is a bit tricky one. Okay, Gauss-Jordan method. So in this method, we transform the matrix, this matrix okay, we transform this matrix to okay, into the form of matrix of 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta 0 0 1 gamma. Okay, there x is equal to alpha, y is equal to beta, and z is equal to gamma. Okay, so elementary row operations. In this, we have to perform elementary rows operations. So what are those operations? Number one, R1, okay, and R2. We'll interchange R1 and R2. Okay, next is R1 is equal to K R1. That means we are multiplying R1 with a constant K. That could be constant is any number. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, any number. Okay. Next week, third operation we can perform is R2 is give R2 plus L R1. Here L is a constant. Okay. We can use any number instead of L. These are the three row operations. Okay. Now we'll start with the questions. Okay, we have already done 3 questions. So if A is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 and 3, Then we have to find A plus A transpose and A transpose. We have to find these two things. Okay. So A plus A transpose will be, what is A? 2 minus 4 minus 5 and 3. Okay. What is A transpose? Transpose of A will be, rows will be converted into columns. So 2 minus 5. This row will be also converted into columns. So minus 4 and 3. Now add these two matrix. What will you get? 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 4 minus 5, minus 9. Minus 5 minus 4, minus 9. 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Next. A transpose. That is nothing but A into A transpose. What is A? 2 minus 4 minus 5 and 3. A transpose will be 2 minus 5 minus 4, 3. Now how do we multiply rows into column? That will be 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. Similarly, row into column. 2 into minus 5 will be minus 10. Minus 4 into 3 will be minus 12. Next, minus 5 into 2 will be minus 10, plus 3 into minus 4 will be minus 12. Next, row into column, that is minus 5 into minus 5 will be 25. 3 into 3 will be 9. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Minus 10 minus 12 is minus 22. 10 plus minus 12 is minus 22. 25 plus 9 is 34. This is your answer. Understood? Okay. In the next question, A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. We have to show that A transpose is equal to A transpose A. Okay. What are to show? A into A transpose is equal to A transpose A. So A into A transpose will be equal to, what is A? What is A transpose?
Cos alpha minus sin alpha.
Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now we have to multiply rows into columns, row into column. Okay. So cos into cos will be cos square alpha. Sin into sin will be sin square alpha. Similarly, cos into minus sine will be minus sine alpha cos alpha. Okay, plus cos cos into sine is minus. Okay, sine into cos will be sine alpha cos alpha. Next, minus sine into cos minus sine alpha cos alpha. Cos into sine will be plus sine alpha cos alpha. Similarly, minus sine into minus sine alpha will be sine square alpha. Then plus cos into cos alpha will be cos square alpha. So sin alpha cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha, minus sin alpha cos alpha and plus sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled. Similarly, minus sin alpha cos alpha minus plus sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled. So what will be left? 0 and 0. Now in trigonometry, what we have learned, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. So we'll apply that formula. So this will be 1 and this will be also 1. So this is your answer. So we got this. This was your LHS. Now we have to find RHS. Okay, that is A transpose into A. A transpose is cos alpha minus sin alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. A is cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now you have to multiply rows with columns. Cos into cos, cos square alpha. Sin into sin, sin square alpha. Similarly, rows into column. Cos into sin, cos alpha, sin alpha. Sin into cos, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Similarly, sin into cos, sin alpha, cos alpha. Cos into sin, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Then sin into sin, sin square alpha. Cos into cos plus cos square alpha. Plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled. Plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha gets cancelled. What is left? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. You already know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. We have already learned this in trigonometry in our class 10. So your final answer will be, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 0, and this is 0. So 1, 0, 0, 1. So LHS is RHS, hence proof. Okay. A into A transpose is equal to A transpose A. Next question. If A is equal to minus 1 1 5 0 minus 1 4. Okay, and B is equal to minus 1 3 1 4 0 2. Then find 2A plus B transpose and 3B transpose minus A. First of all, what we have to find? 2A plus B transpose. That will be 2A. Okay, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. A into A will be A square. But A plus A is 2A. Okay. So minus 1, 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 4. So this is your 2A plus B transpose. Okay. B is minus 1, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. So B transpose will be minus 1, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. I hope you all have understood how to find transpose. Minus 1 will be minus 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 1 is minus 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus minus 1, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 10 is 13. 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10. This is how we got our final answer. That is minus 3 is 6, 13 0, minus 1 10. Next, what we have to find? 3 B transpose minus A. So 3 B transpose means you have to add B transpose 3 times. Okay, so that you can even do in your rough column. Minus 1 4 3 0 1 2. This is a B transpose. B transpose plus B transpose plus B transpose. Minus A. What is A minus 1 minus 1? Minus 1 plus 1, sorry. 5 0 minus 1 4. Add it, you will get it as 1 minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 3 4 4 4. 12. 3 plus 3 plus 3 9. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. Minus 1 1 5 0 minus 1 4. Now subtract. Okay. 3 minus of minus 1 will be minus 2. 12 minus of minus 1 will be minus of 12, 11. 9 minus 5 will be
4.
4. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus of minus 1 will be 4. 6 minus of 4 will be 2. So your final answer is we got our final answer. Understood? So next question. A is equal to 147, 258. B is equal to minus 340, 4 minus 2 minus 1. Then you have to show that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So how are we going to find this? First of all, A plus B. Okay, find A plus B. Then find A transpose from A plus B. Then find A transpose and B transpose separately and add them. You will get the final answer.